Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in Copilot. Now Copilot is something related to Windows guys, and it is by Microsoft on Microsoft's own Windows, so it is a little bit frustrating the fact that I'm going to show you this solution, but yeah, it is the only solution that the actual Copilot's user services gave. So the feature of dark mode, how do you apply it in the first place? You go here into your settings, you click into settings from there, and you go into dark theme. Now, how do you turn it off? Simply go there, and here is the catch. You will not be able to adjust the color of your actual apps without changing it, without changing the whole Windows settings. So here I went from dark, as you can see, it went white, as you can see here. So I changed the color of my windows from dark to light, and this is how it came out. So you literally, to actually change the dark mode, you need to change the whole Windows perspective, which could affect in the end multiple apps, not only Copilot in this situation. You can choose any other color, and the app will still be going to that specific color that you have chosen. It's a bit bad as an option, but yeah, it is what it is. It comes with it. As you can see, you can choose your default Windows mode, go dark like that, and then you can choose from here the default app mode and choose to be either light or dark. Other than that, it is not possible to change only the application background. That is not really possible. Anyway, even with the custom mode here, you are going to change the whole apps related to Microsoft into either light or dark, so you cannot choose a specific app. And yeah, that's pretty much the solution for this video. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.